Hey everyone, today I'll show you guys how to pay for DoorDash using Venmo. Look, Venmo is actually a popular payment app, and using it with DoorDash is pretty simple once you know the steps. So let's dive in, guys, and get you set up with Venmo on DoorDash in just a few minutes, guys, okay? So, first things first, guys, you want to ensure that you actually have a Venmo account set up, okay? Ensure that before starting, you'll want to ensure that you have a Venmo account with funds available or linked to a bank account or card for payment. You'll also need the Venmo app downloaded and logged in your phone. Once that's good to go, guys, you are good. You're ready to add Venmo as a payment option on DoorDash. So what you want to do, guys, okay? You want to add Venmo as a payment method on DoorDash. So you need to open up the DoorDash app on your phone, head to the account section by tapping the profile icon in the top left corner, and then what you want to do is go to the payment methods and look for the option to add a new payment method. Okay, this option right here. Go there and click on the option to add a new payment method. Then what you want to do, guys, is basically you want to add Venmo as a payment method on DoorDash. And once you choose Venmo as your payment method, it should direct you to the Venmo app to confirm the connection. Then what's going to happen, guys, is Venmo and DoorDash will be linked, allowing you to use Venmo as a payment option for future orders. Then what you want to do, guys, is once you're ready, you can just order with Venmo. So how you do it. You just add items to your cart and tap on checkout. And when selecting a payment method, what you want to do is select Venmo. Pick Venmo, and this will open up Venmo to confirm the payment. Tap to approve, and you'll be redirected back to the DoorDash to finish the order. It's literally that easy and simple, guys. Paying for DoorDash with Venmo is very quick and easy way to check out. And if this guide helps, guys, make sure you like and subscribe for more helpful tips